Hey, Emily. Jetta M here. Be glad to help you with this problem. It's not really too tricky if you think about what the information they're giving you. First of all, notice that it just says to write an equation. It doesn't tell us what form the equation needs to be in. It just says write an equation. So I'm going to look at the information that's given to me and ask myself, is it giving me information that would go good in a y equals mx plus b? Or would it go good in a point slope situation? Or would it go good in a standard form situation? Now, you might be at a point in your math where all you've done is y equals mx plus b. And that's fine, because that's where this is going to end up going. So anyway, so here we go. So the first thing I see is that I know I have a y-intercept of -2. Well, remember in your y equals mx plus b, that's the basis that we're going on here. This b is your y-intercept. That's by definition what that is. So shoot, I already have half the problem already. I'm going to put in a -2 for my b. So now all I have left is to figure out then what would this slope be? What would the slope of this line be? Well, if we go back over to the problem, I see that it tells me that the slope is going to be perpendicular to this line. Well, perpendicular, remember? Okay, well, first of all, what is the slope of this line that it's given us? Well, your m is your slope, and that's 4. So in this situation, my slope is 4. But that's not the slope I'm looking for. I'm looking for a slope that's perpendicular to 4. So by definition, remember, if two lines if they are have the same slope, then they're parallel. But if they have opposite reciprocal slopes, that means they're perpendicular. Opposite and reciprocal. So what would be the opposite and reciprocal of 4? Well, the opposite, of course, would be negative. The reciprocal, since every whole number is understood to be over 1, the reciprocal would be 1/4. So the opposite reciprocal, then, what I'm looking for is the slope -1/4. And that's all I need. That's all, the only blanks I had left. So there's my equation. Y equals -1/4 x minus 2. Voila. Good talking to you, Emily. Let me know if I can help you again in the future. Enjoy your math. It's fun.